guys, so we are starting our day actually at the mall. We had a little free time in the morning, so we decided to come walk around, and we got my sister some mascara that she needed, and now we're gonna go to the beach. And I'm so excited because my sister's bringing her dog and my Aunt Chris is bringing her 2 dogs, and I love the beach. I don't know, we live right next to the beach, but I don't like our beach at all. Like, it's just different.
I like it because the water's warm.
Yeah, the water is warm in North Carolina, and here it's really cold, but I love the beach here, and there's so many dogs, and it's so fun. Battling Pokemon. It was so cool because it was like the first time we've ever actually sat somewhere and battled. But now we're stopping at Trader Joe's to grab something for lunch, and then we have to go and lay Lincoln down. Okay. I love these. They have so many salads, and prepackaged salads are my favorite. Where's the one I always get? Ooh, this one looks good. Chili lime chicken salad. That seems like a Taylor salad. I like those ones, or I like this one. This one I always get. This is the best one they have. Okay, Nink, you ready to get your head scratched? You agree? She's like, what was that? Oh no, Tiger died.
Ready? Dead. Dead.
She's like, help, Mom. Dad's being so mean.
Dead. Think of cheesecake ice cream.
So we're playing Clue on the old Nintendo.
Is this the vlog? Wait, you're gonna show people's cards.
Oh, no I'm not.
Oh my goodness, she's cheating! She's recording herself cheating.
I
knew it was a cheater. Cheater!
I cheated one time and I told Justin, and now he thinks I cheat all the time.
This is my spot to You do cheat all the time.
This is Gabe.
That's all. That's it, that's all you need right there. What?
Jackson and Taylor playing Clue together.
Okay, 7 people had walked into the hall. How many of them would be able to walk out?
7 people are walking into the hall.
So
Don't let
intense.
the people see.
Professor pretended to stay. Okay, so you're back home now. I'm ready to crawl into this bed. I'm so tired. We had a really fun time. We just went to my sister's house and she made dinner and we just played games with her and her friends. Oh, I'm not into the sheets. Yeah, and it was really cool. It was just like a fun way to spend our night. So that's like how we spend our night at home anyway. So it was like fun. I love nights like that. But now I'm so ready for bed. So we got some ice cream on the way home from the store. And now we are going to go to bed and have a snack when my husband feels the need to join me. Where are you?
I was gonna run and jump on it, but
That's such a horrible idea. That would hurt you so bad.
oh, it's not our bed and it would hurt. So.
So good night. They let my overall out.
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so many tears?
Get him out.
You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you.